I'm going to do all the tile.
You did almost every bit of it.
Okay, light her up, folks.
Well, I'm not with his... You guys step back. Sam, can you come back here for right now and sit on the steps up there? Right on the corner of the steps. That would be good.
Can I sit?
I don't have the foggiest if this will go.
So I can be clean? No. Sam can't sit.
Sam, that's close enough to the fire. Lucy and Sam, I'm getting your pictures with the camera.
Daddy, I get to be clean. No, Daddy's gonna be a woman. No.
We have her fire here.
And I'm a woman.
Rock.
And
Fire on the rocks at Don's Dizzy Dine.
And I'm Debbie and a woman.
Just a lovely view. We found a little sheltered place to have a fire, and the waves are crashing on the shoreline. Here's another view of the cabin on the point, which is our usual spot.
Hey, you'll go to bed.
Hey, you are woman.
Finding we're quite happy here.
Daddy, I'm clean.
You're what?
What a nice shot of you guys. Lucy, can you tilt your little fedora up a bit? Thanks. Just so I can get a better shot of your adorable face. How do you like the fire?
Mama, do the rocks help?
No, rocks don't do much for a fire, honey.
Enough rocks would put it out if they smothered all the air, but a few rocks here and there won't really matter either way.
Won't hurt it, but they won't help it
Sammy. Sammy, Mom wants to take your picture. Can you look up? Whoops.
No, Mommy, I like going to talk.
Can't get the same light on Sam's face.
Get it really tall. Well, yeah?
What, the fire?
Yeah.
Well, it's going to take a while to get that tall again. All the paper burned off, and now it's just the wood burning. We have to let it go for a while before it gets tall again. Probably won't ever get quite that tall as it was. Sam, that's enough.
We'll put some more paper in.
You did a bang-up job. If I'd have done it alone, it'd never still be going. You did a great job, honey. What's that? You did a really nice job.
I sit on the rock.
Yeah.
Listen to the waves.
The waves. Listen to the waves crashing. There's one area down there where they're just pounding. Lucy, I can't believe it. We've never had this easy a time with a fire. You are an expert fire starter.
Did Lucy help?
How did I start the fire?
You piled it.
You piled them really well, Lucy. They have to be stacked in such a way that the air gets up between the logs.
I'm falling.
This is amazing, and I have it on film, too. You got it started so easily.
Lucy's boat.
You're a little too far back and not lit up very well, dear.